Hey guys,
it's
it's
Brian with the
I'm
superstar. Here she
she,
is.
he's back again. Da 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 da. Check it. It's the man of the mansions. He's like a Lamborghini. Vroom vroom. Check it. Oh my gosh, look at this beast go. He can travel on anything right now. Don't go to the Nerf gun car. Don't go to the Nerf gun.
Why are you guys doing that?
Hey people.
Your mama said chill. Stay as longer and chill.
Hey people. I know. We're doing a chill video.
So
We're gonna give you some evidence on chilling. Like when your parents are always like chill at night and you don't want to, just like go get a little toy that's not that much nice. Just try one else. Like my mom, she just told me, and my auntie, she's saying, go chill, go take a chill pill. I'm gonna just drive my car. It's silent and it's good.
I don't want to hear that car. I got a headache. You better chill on something else.
well, you can. Oh, never mind.
Okay, one second.
So guys, this is a little look-see Popeye's bag right there.
Give me 10 minutes. I'm finishing this.
Shoe rack and
Hey people.
that's a
Show
TV.
my car.
There you go. So there he goes with his car. So let's go over
You guys
here.
saw that? There wasn't anything. And as you guys can see,
You guys gave us like a couple of views. Thanks. Because you guys love motor control cars. We love motor control cars. So we're giving you guys more.
and for you, subscribe if you can. So you better subscribe or I'll eat your pies. Now, as you can see, look close. No, let me see. Let me see. No. Sorry. No. As you can see, when it backs up, it's red light. Its lights come on, and that's might be a little weird to you guys, but not to me. Yeah, no, Leonard, hold it. Hold the camera, and sorry. Yeah, and more of it red. It's red lights. Honestly, but when it's driving, it has a
It's like a real life Lamborghini something. What is the car again?
It's like a Tesla. What's it called? Lamborghini slash. It's like a Tesla slash. Slash Lamborghini slash I saw one yesterday. Not Mustang. What's those cool cars? This.
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
This lawyer has.
Oh, we saw that one. Wait, was it that one?
Yep. Talking about that one.
That lawyer's car we saw was sick.
Huh?
That's like the best car I ever saw.
Mercedes, not Mercedes, no. It was a.
It
No,
was.
not a BMW, not an Audi.
No.
Lamborghini, not a Bugatti. My mom called it a Bugatti at first. She thought.
Well, it kind of looks like a Bugatti.
No, a Bugatti was way different, and its engine's in the back.
Oh.
And my mom, she didn't get it mixed up. She thought the name was Bugatti for some. Well, she didn't. She knew that, but it had, some cars have the same name. Like popular ones, they have the same names as other popular ones. And And the fastest car in the world is a Bugatti. Hate to put it to you, but
Check out its moves. Oh, baby.
smooth.
So, guys, DJ was giving you a little bit of instructions of how it works. It has some difficult controls, but you guys will get used to it very fast.
And watch this. It stops when you pull it back.
It needs batteries.
Yeah.
For,
And you have to pay for it. I paid for mine. And I got rims and all that for
So-
it cost $80. My mom couldn't swallow that.
tell them where you get it from again.
I forgot.
Was it like
Well,
Town Disney?
It was at
Downtown Disney?
Downtown Disney. There's this place where you can build your own car.
It's like a real car, but it costs a lot of money like a real car.
No,
But
it isn't. A real car costs like over 200. This thing just costs like 40.
I don't know. That was like your
At
own.
first it cost 80 because I added rims.
That was like your own. That was like your only birthday present.
Now it just costs like 40.
In this world, guess what, guys? So I was going on Roblox, going to catalog, and guess what happened? There was like the snowman face was like for free, and now it's like $2,600. And then I was freaking out so bad because I want it.
One more time, I'll tell you guys to be quiet.
Okay, so here's a little look-see.
Tell my mommy. But I'm not even being that loud. Her thing is, she can go get her headphones. Like you told her to. I'm not even being that loud.
So he's doing some stuff. Turn it around.
And this might be a little loud. See this? Yeah, it's really fast. So the wheels.
Yeah, and the blue white lights up. You guys can see that.
And you can see this.
It kind of looks like one of them Rev cars, the red Rev cars, but in big version. That's what it looks like. Check it. This thing is faster than, what's it called? A Bugatti. Vroom. I like when it lights up blue.
Auntie, Grandma, Auntie, Mom, what's your mom name? Serena. Can I do this real quick? I want to show them the lights in front. It'll be loud, alright?
Just a little bit.
See the lights in the front?
Oh, baby. Looks like eyes. That's creepy.
Yeah. Okay, now
Hear the engine purr.
it goes 27 miles per hour. And it's fast.
Yeah, but you guys will see in action, it travels so fast.
I know.
It's unbelievable.
If you see, like, personally in real life, like how we see,
You will be so surprised. You will be so surprised. This thing
I'm trying to
moves.
keep it in this line right here because I want to be like a role model. Come here. I want to show them how it's in the line. Come
I'll
here.
do one at regular show.
I got it. Check it out. Look how still it is in the line. Like,
Oh, no.
it was doing so good.
Ooh. He's back there.
Whoa.
And he's out of line. At least it made it all the way over there.
The camera's kind of blacking out now.
What?
Like, look, come check it out. The camera's blacking out.
Oh. What?
Look at what's happening. It's blacking out.
Hey, let me
You
show
guys
you
might
this.
say, you guys are dumb. This is not a blackout. You guys are just doing it wrong. But
See, it was this because this. Let me show
I'm kind of like
Sorry,
a security cat.
Stop! You have to look this way. This was blocking you. To get blackout. So if that's ever blackout again, just move that.
Okay.
And it's blackout.
Because that's the camera piece.
Sorry, you might just see an ugly little hand. That's mine.
So,
This bad baby.
hold on, guys. Let me just spin that around.
should have saw that. What? You didn't see that. You dirty. You didn't get down camera. It was so sick.
So I think I fixed it now. What's up? Okay, so he does some pretty cool tricks with this car. Not to mention some of my personal favorites. This car is everything.
It's like, oh, whoa.
It's every car combined. That's how fast it is. Oh yeah, like over 1,000 miles per hour.
No, he goes 27. But that's not normal.
That would not be normal at all. Hey, don't punch the Charger.
This is half Batmobile, half Lamborghini, half Tesla, half Maserati.
But you were right about the Batmobile part. I don't know about the Bugatti stuff.
No, I said it's half Lamborghini, half Maserati, half Tesla. This is the Tesla part. Because Teslas that have this is for the sign. So this is the Tesla part. This is a Batmobile part.
Sorry guys,
This
might
is
see
a
some
Lamborghini
greedy fingers.
along with this.
But there, I fixed the camera. It was all worth my greedy fingers.
This says ooh.
Oh, you almost hit the Charger. Get out of here.
You're mean to it.
He doesn't like me.
It doesn't even like me. It's the popular thing in school.
Like, people would kill for one of these things.
I know. I would die for one of these things. Dude,
So guys, that might have to end the episode here.
I'll be back. Yeah.
Bye everyone.
Amazing.
Wanna say bye, DJ? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. One thing.
Oh yeah.
You better subscribe or I'll eat your fries.
Goodbye. As I was
You're
saying,
not.
goodbye.
And we are
Out.